Thank you so much to Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video. Girl, I'm so excited to get this package. I've been waiting all week. And as for the wig that's going to be featured today, it is a 7x5 reddish brown jerry curl 24-inch glueless unit. So boom, as soon as we get this bad boy on, girl, it looks good. Honestly, I could have left the house looking just like that, but y'all know I'm extra and I'm sort of a bit of a perfectionist. I had to go in and tweak it just a little bit to my liking. By my facial expressions, you all can see that I literally love this unit. I'm a big fan of big hair, so this unit was perfect for me, especially because I just dyed my hair back to jet black from a color that was very similar to this one specifically. So it was really refreshing to see this color up against my skin tone because it reflects beautifully. Now that we do have the finished look, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. And if any of you are interested in going ginger this fall season, feel free to check out the link for this direct unit in the description bar down below. And once again, I would like to thank Nadula Hair for sponsoring this video. Nadula.